Until 1956, French schoolchildren were actually served wine at lunch. Yes, you heard that right. Each pupil was entitled to about 4 glasses a day, roughly 125 milliliters each. Back then, wine was seen as a normal, even healthy, part of daily life. In fact, children as young as 6 drank it in school cafeterias. It wasn't until the 1950s, when health research advanced, that authorities realized how dangerous this was for developing bodies and minds. So in 1956, France officially banned wine in schools, replacing it with milk, juice, and water. It's a strange fact from history, but also a powerful lesson. What seems normal in one generation can be unthinkable in the next. And progress often means questioning traditions, especially when it comes to protecting children.